Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a 2 looks in 1 eyeshadow palette video, and today I'm gonna use the Juvia'S Zulu palette. The first look is a greenish planet look, and another one it's a sunset paradise pinky cut crease look. So firstly, I'm gonna start off with the greens, as you guys can see in the video, and then slowly blend it out. And then I'm gonna use the yellow shade in the palette to just blend it out. Like a transition color, and then just do my cut crease with the Tarte concealer, and then I'm going back in with the sparkly blue color to just put it on top of my cut creased area, and then use this greenish color to just blend it at the back of the crease. And then I'm just gonna mix this blue and red paint, and it gives off a purple color, and I'm just gonna use it as my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna top it off with another purple color on my waterline, and then just put on my Dolls Out Beauty lashes. That's it for the eye. Very easy. And the next one is the Sunset Paradise pink cut crease. So first I'm just gonna use this Anastasia pomade to do my eyebrows, and then I'm just gonna go in with the same Tarte concealer. And then I'm going in with the pink shadow and mix it with the yellow to do my transition color. And then again using the Tarte concealer as my cut crease base, and then I'm just using this pink loose pigment, and then also top it off with a pink eyeshadow at the back of my crease, and then going in with the orange and yellow to tightline my eyes. Again with the same old Dolls Out Beauty lashes. There you go! It's a very short and quick eye look tutorial for you guys, and if you guys want to see more, you guys can go onto my Instagram to look at most of my looks there. So see you guys in my next video. Bye!